Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the Christmas tags that I made for the collab Christmas tags on the 25th. This is hosted by my friend Rose, who is Crafting Rose here on YouTube, and I'll leave a link down below in the description box to her channel as well as the others that are participating in this collab. So for my project this month, I used this punch from Stampin' Up, and I don't have it labeled, but it is like a tag topper punch. It has straight sides, and then it punches out a little hole to tie in the ribbon or the string for the tag. And then I used some scraps that I had in this package of Stampin' Up paper called Wrapped in Plaid, one of my favorite paper collections from Stampin' Up. This was from a couple of years ago, I believe, but I used quite a bit. I think it came with, does it say, 48 sheets, and I have quite a bit left yet. Plus, I think I have another full package that I haven't opened up yet. But I love plaid, and especially at Christmas time, and just plaid in general. So there you go. So my project looks like this. It's a tutorial that I saw from a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Her channel is called Stamping with the More, and I'll leave a link down below to her channel tutorial on how to do this. It's really simple. She called it quick or easy Christmas treat holders, but I'm using it as a gift tag. So you have an 8.5 by 2-inch strip of cardstock. You score at 4 and 4.5, and then you use a tag punch or form a tag top on each end. And then when you fold, I guess I can fold this one up, they meet up at the top, and you will tie it. Now these her version held 2 Ghirardelli chocolates, which I do not have in my stash right now. And I used a York peppermint patty for mine. I had some of these in a Halloween mix for trick-or-treaters, and I pulled out some of the York mint patties, and I just used repositional glue runner to hold it in place, and then tied it at the top with some red string. You can use whatever you want to match your pattern paper. And then I went through my Christmas one of the drawers of my Christmas sticker stash and die cuts, etc., and just pulled out some things to match the papers. So this one is a really thick one. There's a foam layer in the back, then there's a cork layer, and then a chipboard layer. And that's how the sticker itself came. I chose it because it had holly leaves, and the background paper is holly leaves. And then on the back side I used another scrap piece of the paper. The To From is a very old Stampin' Up stamp, a wood-mounted stamp from probably the early 2000s. And then this piece right here is just an old label sticker in my Christmas stash, and I decided, you know, sometimes when stickers get old, they lose their stickiness, and you saw me push that down up there. I might have to go back with some glue. But I decided I better start using these before I can't. So this is a red foil. I don't know if that's going to show. A red foil label, and I just stuck it behind here just for something different. But so a To From gift tag with a little surprise treat inside. So these are the other ones. This one came from a die cut package, and I just popped it up with dimensionals. This one came from a chipboard package that had just a few pieces left. Could have been K & Company for the cardinal. And then this one came from a die cut package. And then from another package, I just had some little tiny snowflakes out of chipboard, so I decided to use them up, get rid of the packaging. And then these last two came from a sticker pack. I'm going to say Jolie's, but it could have been something, a different kind of package, possibly from Hobby Lobby. But they came late. These are from chipboard, and they came layered up already, so I just added those to that one. So I've got 6 gift takes here, but they're so quick and easy to make. It takes no time at all to put these together. So from an 8.5 by 11, you can get 5 strips. And the reason I made 6 is because I had picked out 6 pattern papers paper scraps that I wanted to use up. So that's why that's a different number. But anyway, I would like to thank you for joining me. And now I'm off to create.